Okay, so now we are going to talk about some of the basic feelings. So when it comes to feelings in Spanish, we use them together with the word estar. For example, estoy enfermo, which means I'm sick. So enfermo means sick, and estoy means I am. So we have to mix them together with estar. Similar as in English, where you have to say I am tired, I'm sick, you're tired, you are okay. So in Spanish it's the same. You mix it together with estar. The second one we have is estoy cansado, which means I'm tired. Cansado means tired. Estoy cansado. And then we have estoy bien, which means I'm okay. Estoy bien. So, estoy enfermo, which means I'm sick. Estoy cansado, I'm tired. And estoy bien, I'm okay. So, let's try the examples. Here we have ¿Cómo está tu amiga? Which means how is your friend? And amiga ends with an A, so it's feminine. So your female friend. ¿Cómo está tu amiga? ¿Cómo está tu amiga? How is your friend? And then we have está enferma. She's sick. Está enferma. So whenever you want to know how somebody is, you can say ¿Cómo estás? How are you? ¿Cómo está tu mamá? ¿Cómo está tu padre? Tu amigo? Tu abuela? So, ¿cómo está? How is? So basically, how is your? Okay. And you can always reply, está enferma, está, and whatever she's feeling, or she's having, or the person is having. Another one would be, ¿cómo está el bebé? How is the baby? ¿Cómo está el bebé? How is the baby? And you can say, está cansado. He's tired. Está cansado. Cansado, tired. And you can always say, ¿Cómo estás? How are you? ¿Cómo estás? So this is a common introduction word, introduction phrase. So whenever you meet somebody, you can say, oh, hola, ¿cómo estás? Hello, how are you? ¿Cómo estás? And you can always reply, estoy bien. I'm good. Estoy bien. Estoy bien. And we also have several words that you have to mix them together with tener. So this is different from English, where in English you use estar, which means I am, but in Spanish there are some of them where you have to use tener. For example, tengo frío. In English it means I'm cold, but in Spanish it actually means I have cold. So cold is not something you are, but something you have. So I have cold. If you say estoy frío, this one rather refers to you being cold, like your skin is cold. Estoy frío. Like inside of you it's cold. You're cold, like that. But tengo frío means I have cold. I'm feeling cold. Tengo frío. The same thing is with calor. So calor means hot. Frío means cold. Calor means hot. And it's something you have. Tengo calor, which means I have hot. I'm feeling hot. I have hot. So basically, I'm hot. But in Spanish, we use tener. Tengo calor, I'm hot. Tengo frío, I'm cold. And let's try the examples. For example, ¿Cómo está tu perro? How is your dog? ¿Cómo está tu perro? And you can reply, Tiene frío. He is cold. Tiene frío. He is cold. Tiene frío. And another one would be, ¿Tienes calor? So, are you hot? So basically, we can make it into a question as well. ¿Tienes calor? Are you hot? Basically, do you have hot? And you can reply, Sí, tengo calor. Sí, yes, sí, tengo calor. I'm hot. Okay, this is quite simple. Let's try the next ones with tener, also with tener. So hunger, hambre, hambre. So hunger is something that you have. So you would say tengo hambre. I have hunger. Tengo hambre, which basically means I'm hungry. Tengo hambre. And we also have sed, which means thirst. So tengo sed. I'm thirsty, which literally means I have thirst. I have thirst. Tengo sed. So tengo hambre, I'm hungry. Tengo sed, I'm thirsty. And let's try the examples. El gato tiene hambre. The cat is hungry. El gato tiene hambre. And we also have el hombre tiene calor y sed. The man is hot and thirsty. El hombre tiene calor y sed. And we also have this one, which means tengo sueño, which means I'm sleepy. So basically, I have sleep, or I have sleepiness. I have sleep. Tengo sueño. I'm sleepy. And let's try the example. El koala tiene sueño. The koala has sleep. El koala tiene sueño. Okay, so that's it for this one. Thanks for watching. So now it's your turn to practice Spanish. You can find the lessons Quizlet by going into the lecture resources folder. Thanks for watching.